Hi friends, today I'll talk about how we can use Chrome code to search jobs from the Indeed. So first of all, we have to go to the Claude and then go to the Customize tool and search for the connectors, search for the Indeed, and then we have to connect. So from there, so from Indeed, we can search job and get job details and search for our resume and improve also. So from here we can connect and we have to authorize it our email ID. After authorizing, let's have a new chat. So we can write like use my Indeed profile and resume and search for the job related to me. I will connected Indeed. So based on our resume, it will find the jobs and provide us whatever the jobs currently available in the market. So that's it.